Welcome back to a new week, money makers. This is your boy Duran, and as always, I stay making you make money every single week. At least I hope. I hope some of you guys are following some of these methods that I showed you, and I'm not wasting my time. But even if I know it's going to be somebody that watches these videos and actually implements some of my ideas. So for those, I think I am very thankful for those people. So let's get into it. AVG products. So I'm sure you guys heard about AVG. It's like the antivirus protections that you have to scan on your computer so that to keep away the viruses and stuff like that. For my IT people, you know what it is. But if you're not, you should know it. Even if you are a regular, person that's not in IT field, you should know ways to protect your computer. And this is one of those ways to protect your computer. But they are doing focus groups, they're doing research interviews and stuff like that. And they're doing online surveys. If you successfully complete one, they'll send you an Amazon gift card. Now it just all depends on how much it is, and how it works. So they're going to send a questionnaire to kind of see how it fits into your lifestyle and what kind of AVG products you use. In case you don't know what that is, it's just like the antivirus protection programs to prevent you from having viruses on your computer. Those are the ones that I'm talking about. And they're going to send you questionnaires to kind of see, if you use some of these products, how can they be better improved? Because you got to remember, the products that they send out, the software, in terms of what people use to protect their computers, those are the same products that most of the customers are going to get when they sign up with the AVG products, antivirus protection programs, and they want your opinions to see if it's something that they can improve on, if they're making a difference. Most of the time, the AVG products are really good, and there's no defects with them. But then there's always going to be that chance that it is going to be some defects with them. So when they have you test different products or questionnaires and stuff like that, you just give your honest opinions about that, and then you'll get rewarded for that. So it doesn't take too much time. You can earn between $2 to $100, depending on how many questionnaires or surveys you fill out. But potentially you can make up to $100 is what they're saying. So just go ahead, sign up if you have. Probably, you're gonna want to actually have some products because that's probably the only way you're gonna get an invite in here. But you can go ahead and sign up anyway and see if they if they do take it. So go ahead and complete this. But there's no guarantee that once you fill out the form that you're gonna get selected. It just kind of all depends on um, if you like it or not. Go ahead and fill this out. Then click to I don't agree or I disagree. Um, and keep going. Keep filling it out. So put in your first name, last name, all that good stuff. But that is all I have for you guys today. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.